Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check history here on Semrush. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Semrush, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To check the history here using Semrush, you can use several features within the platform. Number one option is once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the domain overview. Because from here, in the top search bar, enter, you see this on the SEO section right here. You would see the history that you have typed in previously here, right? You have the GIF, gplats.com, youtube.com, and these are going to be the history that I have typed in entering domain URL or keyword, all right? And there's actually no way for you to delete that. They don't have like an X button in normally you have in other browser. So this is one way for you to check your history activity here on the platform for Semrush, all right? Number one option that you can do is go to the upper right corner and click the manage users. Click that. In this section, if you enable everyone on your team to use Semrush and work together, you should be able to check their activity and history. You also have an option here in the activity log. You would notice that there is going to be history of activities here. Click the activity log. And you would notice that this is the date and time, the history for that specific event. All right, registration and the IP, country, and the user agent. Another option is go to the query log. That would show you all these, your history within the web queries. There's a lot. All right, so query log and activity log, that would show you the history here on Semrush. The last option that you can use to check the history activity here in Semrush is go to the main menu, hover down below where you can see the My Report section. Click that. You should be able to view the historical data reports because these are going to be the options that you have downloaded the data for reports for various metrics such as organic search, backlinks, and a lot more. And these reports can be customized to include specific timelines. Just go here and you should be able to check all of the reports that you have generated as part of your history tracking on Semrush. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.